Google Meet is a video communication service developed by Google. It is one of two apps that constitute the replacement for Google Hangouts, the other being Google Chat. After being invite-only and quietly releasing an iOS app in February 2017, Google formally launched Meet in March 2017. The service was unveiled as a video conferencing app for up to 30 participants, described as an enterprise-friendly version of Hangouts. It is launched with a web app, an Android app, and an iOS app. While Google Meet introduced the above features to upgrade the original Hangouts application, some standard Hangouts features were deprecated, including viewing attendees and chat simultaneously. The number of video feeds allowed at one time was also reduced to 8, prioritizing those attendees who most recently used their microphone. Additionally, features such as the chat box were changed to overlay the video feeds rather than resizing the latter to fit. Hangouts is scheduled to cease operation in the first half of 2021. During the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic, the use of Meet grew by a factor of 30 between January and April 2020, with 100 million users a day accessing Meet, compared to 200 million daily uses for Zoom as of the last week of April 2020. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.